Hey guys, this side Mayank, and what is an LLM? First of all, let's do a quick activity to understand how large language model work. I will give you sentence and you have to fill in the blank. So here it is. I was playing. The possible answer could be soccer, cricket, or even video games. Here's another. I am reading. So here the possible answer could be book, a newspaper, or a novel. Notice something? You are picking answers that make sense based on the sentences. For instance, you won't say, I am reading sky or I am reading food because they don't fit. Your brain automatically assigns higher probabilities to words like book or newspaper because they are more likely to follow I am reading. Now, imagine we are creating something using maths and computer science that is incredibly good at predicting the next word in a sentence. This is exactly what humans have built, a large language model. An LLM works the same way as you do when filling the blanks. It looks at the word before and predict the most likely next word. So, modern email programs try to predict the next word in a sentence. How do they do that? The answer is probability. Language model work by storing probabilities about which words are more likely to come next, given the words that came before. These probabilities are calculated based on sequence of words found in a larger dataset, often called corpus. For example, imagine you are writing an email and you start a sentence. Looking forward to the. So, what do you think the next word might be? Call, meeting, or banana? Clearly, call and meeting both make sense, but banana does not make any sense, even if you have written a lot of emails about fruits. This is because the language model predicts the next word by assigning probabilities to all the possible options. Words like call or meeting have much higher probabilities in the context, while banana has an extremely low probability. So in layman definition, we can say LLM as an AI model that predicts the next word using maths and probabilities. Imagine you are training an AI model using the following sentences. I like to play football. I like to play cricket. I like to play chess. And again, all the sentences are repeated. Now, let's analyze this data. Out of 10 sentences, football appears 7 times, chess appear 2 times, cricket appear 1 time. So, when you ask the AI model, I like to play, the AI predicts football because it sees football as the most frequent option in the training data. I like to play is followed by football most of the time, 7 out of 10 sentences. So, it gives football as the highest probability. But now you may think it only generates next word, not an entire paragraph. How this is happening, let's see by an example. So imagine you ask an AI like GPT to write an essay about computers. At its core, the AI doesn't write the entire essay all at once. It predicts one word at a time. Here how it's work. First it starts with the topic you gave it, like computer. The AI thinks what word usually come after computer in sentences. It predicts and adds is. Now the input becomes computer is. The AI thinks again what word makes sense after computer is. It predicts a. This process keeps repeating. Computer is a becomes computer is a powerful. Computer is a powerful becomes computer is a powerful machine, and so on. By predicting one word at a time, the AI builds an entire paragraph that makes sense, like computer is a powerful machine that have become an integral part of our daily lives. Blah blah blah. So even though the AI generates text word to word, it remembers the context of words before it, allowing it to form complete meaningful sentences and paragraph. This is how large language models like GPT create essays, stories, or answers. So that is it for this video. It was a quick video about what is LLMs and how it works. We can cover technical details in some other videos. Thanks for watching this video.